Hello my friends, welcome to ATSA channel. I will tell you about Redmi. In this video you will learn how to use fingerprint on Redmi. Let's get started. Find settings and tap on it, then scroll down, find fingerprints, face data and screen lock, tap on it. If you want to use fingerprint on Redmi, turn on fingerprint unlock. Then add a fingerprint. Use fingerprints for lock screen, turn on or off. Privacy password, turn on or off. Use fingerprints for app lock, turn on or off. Good. Thanks for watching. I hope my video helped you. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye bye.